CalHFA presents On-Demand Lender Training, MERS and CalHFA, a how-to. Hey everyone, Molly Ellis here with CalHFA. What is MERS? It stands for Mortgage Electronic Registration System. It's a national electronic database that tracks the changes in servicing rights and beneficial ownership interests in mortgage loans, including all CalHFA loans. Part of the lender's responsibility on CalHFA loans is generating the MIN number, registering the loans in the MERS system, and ultimately transferring the CalHFA first mortgage to Lakeview and the subordinate loans to CalHFA. Attention to detail is key, so no matter where you are in the loan process, this video will help you get it right. Let's start at the beginning. At some point during the loan process, but before you draw loan documents, you'll need to generate a MIN number. The first 7 digits in the MIN uniquely identify the loan servicer, and the remaining 11 digits are used internally by the servicer, typically the loan number. This number goes on the deed of trust. That's why you want it done before you start to draw the loan docs. There could be up to 3 separate loans for your CalHFA borrower, so you could be generating up to 3 MIN numbers. Okay, docs are drawn, signed, and you've closed the loan. Now it needs to be registered in the MERS system. Be diligent here. For the first mortgage, use the investor number and servicer number 1010298 for Lakeview Loan Servicing, LLC. Use the sub-servicer number 1000723 for Loan Care. Make sure you properly identify that it's a first lien. For the subordinate liens, My Home, Zip, or the school program, use investor and servicer number 1000645 for California Housing Finance Agency. There's no sub-servicer for the subordinates. Make sure you properly identify that it's a subordinate lien. Use the actual date of the note in the note date field, not the day it's being registered or the funding date. Use the note date. Make sure the addresses match. The system is finicky, so if drive is spelled out on the deed of trust, please spell it out on the registration too. Don't use the abbreviation. Same thing with the borrower's name. They need to be an exact match, so make sure it's not misspelled. And co-borrowers, don't forget the co-borrowers. It should be registered in MERS the same way the docs were drawn. Now you can generate the MIN summary page for each applicable subordinate loan to upload as part of the loan purchase submission package to CalHFA. The lender uploads the post-close loan submission package for the first mortgage to Lakeview via their correspondent lending website. Upload the post-close loan submission package for the subordinate liens, meaning Zip, My Home, or the school program via CalHFA's Mortgage Access System, or MAS. After Lakeview purchases and wires funds for the first mortgage, the status code in MAS will be a 720 or 740. That means you have 24 hours to initiate the transfer in MERS to Lakeview. After CalHFA purchases and wires funds for each subordinate loan, the status code in MAS will be 640. That means it's time to initiate and transfer the subordinate loans to CalHFA. When you start the transfer process in MERS, the system allows you to create a batch of loans, meaning any loan that is already purchased by CalHFA, so not the first loans, can be added to the transfer process all at once. If you click on the individual MIN numbers that you've added to the batch, you'll be able to see how the loan was registered. Use this to determine if the information is correct before you do the transfer. Double check there's no first mortgages in the batch to CalHFA. Check the names and property addresses exactly match the deed of trust. Make sure the loan amount is correct. Now add CalHFA's loan ID in the FHA VA MI field. This you'll only need to do on the subordinates, then initiate the transfer. CalHFA will approve the transfer if it's done correctly. And there you have it. For more information on CalHFA's loans, check out the website at calhfa.ca.gov or call us at 916-326-8033. Thanks for watching.